But could the largest reserves of oil reserves in its history to bring down crude prices is enough? Here's more in this report.
As per a report by the Wall Street Journal, the International Energy Agency has proposed the largest release of oil reserves in its history to bring down the crude prices that have soared due to the US-Israel war with Iran. The release would exceed the 182 million barrels of oil that IEA member countries put onto the market in 2 releases in 2022 when Russia launched its full-scale invasion of Ukraine. The Wall Street Journal said that the IEA held an extraordinary meeting of its member states on March 10th and the countries are expected to decide on the proposal on March 11th. The proposal would be adopted if no one objects, but even one country's protests could delay the plan. Benchmark oil prices surged to almost 4-year highs on Monday but lost ground on Tuesday after the US President Donald Trump predicted the war in the Middle East could end soon. The G7 energy ministers stopped short of agreeing on the release of strategic oil reserves on Tuesday and instead asked the IEA to assess the situation before acting. The all-time peak of Brent crude oil was witnessed in July 2008. The price level reached about $147.50 a barrel at that time. Recently, the crude prices have been moving up and down since the conflict broke out between the Iran and US. The data suggests that volatility in the past 12-13 days. The high was the 4-year high, which was followed by a sharp decline. The surge took place between February 28th and March 9th when the prices rose from about $72 to $73 a barrel on February 28th to above $115 a barrel on March 9th. The price retreated on March 10th and 11th with a nearly 14% decline. Reports said that the pullback was still $86.50 to $87 a barrel. While US President Donald Trump indicated that the war could end soon, the IEA also jumped into the action. The real driver of the prices was Iran's decision to shut down the Strait of Hormuz, through which 1/5 of world's maritime oil supply passes. It is a vital element in the world energy supply ecosystem.